With a chest full of jewelry. Got me spending on merchandise, now I'm right through the checks in the years. This me, even on weekends, we gon' cut this block over these sills. Counting on your love to save me, but I'm really intoxicated, losing control. I won't let these problems break me.
YouTube, it's your boy Ev, man. We down here in the beach walk downtown streets of Hawaii, man. I'm here outside the Hawaii or Honolulu Zoo. I'm about to see how much it costs to get in and if they'll let me record. If they don't, shit, I'm walking out of here. We finna walk the beach. And yeah, so see what this bit about right quick and see what.
Hello,
How you doing? I was just wondering, one ticket for one adult?
One ticket for no. Do you have any military or local state ID?
Not a local state ID. I'm a visitor from Florida.
Florida? Okay, so no discounts? Just checking for discounts.
Oh, yeah, all right.
Alright, so one general admission is $21. And then you're good to tap now.
Sure.
And then I got the ticket coming up.
Alright.
We're all good to go.
I'll be good to record in here and stuff like that?
I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. Hey,
Get my shit
is he good to record? He's like a content creator. Yeah, you good.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too. Enjoy your day, sir.
Yes, sir. Alright, bro, we made it through. So, Honolulu Zoo, man. Let's see what we finna see. Keep y'all posted, bro. I don't know which way I'm finna go. Do they have maps here? Excuse me. Do y'all have like maps of the zoo or anything?
No, we don't have paper maps. The only maps that we
This
have.
one right here?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Thank you.
So if you want to scan, there's like some signs. You just scan and go to the website.
Okay. All right, thank you. Try to take a picture of it, bit. All right, bet. I'm gonna figure out my bearings right quick, and I'm gonna come back to the video and let y'all know what's going on. I'm out here bumming. I'm out here in some bullshit, but let me go ahead and get y'all a visual right quick, man. I guess this is ducks or whatever, bro. But you feel me? Some chill shit. It's a vibe out here. You know, we in Hawaii. Why not go to the zoo? You feel me? So yeah.
Always be here. We can always come back.
I can't walk around. Oh snap! It's a sloth. That's the animal that moves like slow, ain't it? Hell no. I ain't never seen one of them in person. Well, you boys. Alright, let's see. We can go to Toucan Trail with the primates, or we can go Hawaiian Nini Tropical Birds, bro. Man, let's go to the birds, man. Let's see what we can see out here, man. Welcome to Hawaii, man. I ain't seen nothing crazy yet. I'm trying to make sure this clip ain't too long. Boys, this is the first animal I seen that wasn't a bird, girl. Hey, phone chirping in the morning, and baby roosters. All right, Mr. Kipling, I see you around, my boy. Where that rooster at? Where you at, cuz? Want some camera time? Oh, there it is. That's crazy. All right, you boys, we continuing our journey, cuz I'm still seeing a lot of birds and stuff right now. I ain't really get into all the. Uh-oh, I see a orangutan sign now. Getting to the monkeys. Uh-oh. Might have spoke too soon. But and a rooster back there doing too much, bro. All that yelling. But let y'all know when I get over here to the orangutans right quick. See what these boys over here talking about. Oh no, that's a tiger. I don't see you guys.
Hey, you can see him over here, buddy.
I don't see, bruh, but There's supposed to be a tiger in here somewhere.
Oh,
Oh, he back there.
hold on.
I gotta walk around. I'm gonna show y'all when I get around there. Hold on. It's a peacock running wild out there, big boy. But I found them boys, man. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Like, it's a peacock out there, bitch. Open them up. You ain't gonna do it. Couple of them over there. Behind me. But yeah. Rhinos. That's hard, I ain't gonna fake. I don't know how I didn't see that over there, bro. I gotta go in there before I slide. But hey, so far I done seen hella birds, a rhinoceros, 2 tigers, some donkeys. What's next? Yeah, I don't know what that was, but man, bro, just look at this. This shit is amazing.
You want water?
Hey, you want
water, buddy?
I just wanted to put something in perspective, you boys. Where'd I be at?
Oh, I see him.
It's a baboon right there. Ain't no gate though, cuz. Oh.
Sitting on the rock. You gotta come on this side though.
Look, I see.
It ain't nothing stopping him from coming over here and putting in work.
He's sitting on the rock.
I'm watching that.
Oh, what?
Alright, we finally got to see some that wasn't birds, bro. You got giraffe.
Stairs here. I'm not gonna take you up these stairs and up and down and go crazy.
But hey, I'm gonna beat the shit out my head, boy. But nah, bruh. I guess we over here in like the safari area. That's the giraffes, cuz. It's nothing but chickens at this bit, cuz. Like, this shit crazy. I'm starting to understand why in Surf's Up, it was a chicken in that bit. Y'all probably don't even know what I'm talking about. But it was a chicken in Surf's Up, cuz. That's like I need to know. And he looked like Brad right here. Put you on some bread, nigga. But now trying to find some other animals. But I think I'm gonna just put the camera back down and figure it out. It is a little hot out here, but I can't figure it. But catch y'all in a little bit. I've been walking for ages, cuz, walking in circles, cuz. I finally found something that I wanted to see. Look like bro wanna come over here, but that little fence right there is electric. Good, big homie? These are such big big ass animals, bro. That is crazy. Probably a wild pool, but I wonder what elephant meat tastes like. Put the other one over there. I've never seen an African pool. Wow, that's crazy. What up, bro? Penguins in Africa.
Do they go like this?
Never thought I'd see the day. But now we done made it to the monkeys. I think we made it to the monkeys. Yes, sir, we did make it to the monkeys, you boys. I don't know if y'all can see it, bro. There's a monkey right there. Another one right there. Oh, get at it. Damn. That's probably the most action he gonna do. Uh-oh, get active. Show me some. Damn, they do that bit so light. What the fuck? That boy ain't listening to me. I'm acting like I know monkey sounds and shit. But I made it to an area where it's pretty active, bruh. It's 2 monkeys up there. And I was just saying, it's like, what's really stopping them boys from jumping out? For real, for real. See how these boy got a cage? But trust and believe, when I get some money, boy, I will be buying one of these. A spider monkey. Show me something, cuz the camera on you. Look, bro. Gotta do something for the camera, man. Boys in that bitch just scratching y'all eye. Oh, there they go. First time in Hawaii was amazing. Appreciate you guys. Hey, leaving the zoo right now, you boys. I'll get back with y'all whenever I get to the beach. I just had to fill y'all in on how that shit was. I ain't seen nothing when I left, but birds. So yeah. Oh shit. When the water's so blue. Oh, you drunk? See what they hungry for. Whoa, 32 shots like I'm throwing. Walking downtown right now. First time I play that's at LU. Man, you got it, you can't shoot. We national. Ain't for my side, I'm touching you. My bitch, she back got a body like Betty Boo. There's a lot of stores down there, but I might walk in some of them, see what they look like. I need to cross the street sometime soon, though. Shit like the street, but yeah, I'm finna cross the street sometime soon, but that's what it look like down there. Good. Oh, I think that's the store my brother was talking about. Dang. 2 shots like I'm about to do it. Like I'm ready to go in. Niggas doing. I'ma hit y'all when I cross on the street. What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Ev, bro. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. I just got a quesadilla with some queso and margarita, you feel me? Ooh, look at the view though. I get a better video when I get up, but I'm just trying to enjoy my food and the drink right now and the scenery, so I just want to fill y'all in. I'll catch y'all up later though. Alright you boys, I'm gonna be real, bro. It's gonna be my last time picking up the camera while I'm out here. Y'all probably won't see me till I get back to the crib, bro. I got my food, got my drink, bro. I'm finna chill, bro. Listen to the music and chill, man. This is probably where I'm gonna end the vlog at. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. Stay tuned for the next one, man.